Okay, so you should wear your splint basically to save your teeth. If you are a clencher or a grinder and you're not wearing a splint, what will happen is that your teeth will wear down. So they will start to get shorter and shorter, and over time they will start to look stumpy. So that's not a great look. And the longer your teeth are, the younger your smile looks. So if you want a nice, beautiful, young looking smile, it's best to wear your splint. The other thing that can happen if you're not wearing a splint is that you can develop hairline cracks in your teeth. And developing hairline cracks in teeth can lead to lots of different problems, but ultimately what will happen is you'll be spending a lot more money getting many more crowns than you would if you were wearing a splint. On the side, it can also help alleviate the tension in the muscles of the head and neck. It may not get rid of everything completely, but it will certainly reduce the tension in the head and neck and reduce the number of headaches that you get from the clenching and the grinding.